How to share any music or sound from Soundcloud to Facebook Messenger. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share any music or sound from Soundcloud to your Facebook Messenger easy and fast. Go to Soundcloud. This is the home page. Now choose a music. After you choose the music, just go down and click on those 3 points right here. After you click on them, now go to the top and swipe right until you find Messenger. If you click on it, it will take you directly to your Facebook Messenger and you can share it easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe.